This transformation is about rotation, and here we have to draw rotation. The center of the rotation is origin, that is 0 0, and the angle of rotation is 90 degree, and the direction is anti-clockwise. The center of the rotation, this is the triangle ABC, and we have to draw the rotation of this triangle, and the center of the rotation is 90 degree. Center of rotation is origin, and this is the center of rotation. And what we have to do, we have to join each vertex of this triangle to this center of rotation. So let me join this A, and let me draw a line from this vertex to the center, and in the same way I will join this line from this vertex to the center, and in the same way from this vertex to the center. So as the angle is 90 degree, we will put this D on each line. Let me put D over this and draw a 90 degree angle. Okay, so this is 90 degree, this is angle. Let me join this, make angle of 90 degree. So this is 90 degree line. Okay, so in the same way, let me check the length of this line from O to A with the help of this compass. Okay, so this is the length of line from O to A, and then I will put a arc on this line from here to here, and the point where this arc cuts this line of angle 90, this is A dash. Okay, so in the same way, I will make a 90 degree angle from the line OC. So I will put this D on the line OC, and then draw a 90 degree angle. Okay, so this is 90 degree, and I will make a line of 90 degree of the line OC. Okay, so this is line OC. This is 90 degree line of line OC. Now I will check the length of this line OC from the origin with the help of compass, and then I will cut this line with this arc. So now this point is C dash. Now I will make the angle of 90 of this line OB. So let me put D on this line OB. This is 90 degree line, 90 degree mark. I put the mark, and then I join that mark. That will give me the 90 degree line. This is the 90 degree line of line OB. Now I will check the length of this line OB with the help of compass, and then I put a curve, then I cut with the curve, and this point where I put the cut, this is B dash. Now I will join all these 3 points, A dash, B dash, and C dash. Let me use ruler. and this is the rotation of this A dash, B dash, C dash is the rotation of triangle A, B and C through this, around this center, which is origin right now, through an angle of 90 degree, and the direction is anti-clockwise.